So guys, I'm gonna tell you about ES6 classes now, because last video I just told you about arrow function, then let counts and structuring assignment and template literal. So I just make the video all of this so you can go and watch it. Now this video is all about classes, right? ES6 classes features. So I'm going to start. So what is the ES6 introduce? ES6 introduces a new syntax for creating classes in JavaScript, providing a more concise and intuitive way to work with the constructor function and prototypes. Classes are essentially a syntactic sugar over the existing prototype based inheritance in JavaScript. Let's explore the syntax example and step by explanation of using ES6 plus classes. So this is a syntax: class name, constructor parameters, and method name. This is example: creating a simple class. Let's create a class like person with the constructor to initialize a property and a method to display information. Class person, constructor name comma age, this dot name is equal to name, this dot age is equal to age. Display info, console dot log name dollar this dot name age dollar this dot age. Const person1 is equal to new person John Doe comma 30. Person1 dot display info. Now I'm gonna step by step explain what is all about. Class person. We define a class name person. The convention is to capitalize the first letter of a class name. Constructor name comma age. The constructor method is a special method used for initializing instance of the class. It take parameter name and age and assign as a property to the instance using this. This dot name is equal to name and this dot age is equal to age. Inside the constructor we assign the value passed as parameters to the instance property using this. Display info, we define a method display info within the class which log information about the person to the console. Const person1 is equal to new person John Doe comma 30. We create an instance of the person class using the new keyword and passing values for name and age to the constructor. Person1 dot display info. We call the display info method on the person1 instance which log the information to the console. More information about this: inheritance, like ES6 features support inheritance through the extend keyword. You can create subclass that inherit from a superclass like class student, right? And class student extend person constructor name comma age comma grade super name comma age this dot grade equal to grade. Display student info, console dot log name dollar this dot name comma age dollar this dot age grade dollar this dot grade. Const student1 is equal to new student alias Smith comma 18 comma a. Student1 dot display student info. Static method. Static methods are called on the class itself rather than on instance. They are defined using the static keyword. Class utility. Static add number x comma y, return x plus y. Return x plus y. Const result is equal to utility dot add number 5 comma 3 console dot log result. Gather and setter a method. ES6 classes support gather and setter method for accessing and modifying class properties. Class circle, like constructor radius, this dot radius is equal to radius, get radius, return this dot radius, set radius value if value greater than equal to 0, this dot radius is equal to value, else console dot error radius must be greater than 0. Const my circle is equal to new circle 5 console dot log my circle radius is equal to 8 console dot log my circle dot radius. Class expression. Similar to the function expression, you can use class expression to define classes. Const rectangle is equal to class constructor width comma height, this dot width is equal to width, this dot height is equal to height, calculate area, return this width into this dot height. Const my rectangle is equal to new rectangle 4 comma 6 console dot log my rectangle calculate area, right? So ES6 plus class provide a cleaner and more organized way to work with the object-oriented programming concept in JavaScript. They make the syntax more readable and aligned with how classes are defined in many other programming languages. So guys, this is all about ES6 feature uh, class part. So let's meet in another video.